Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, August 7th, and we've got a pretty decent weather pattern coming up over the week. We do expect plenty of sunshine here over the next 3 days, although we do got a few showers out and about this morning, and we could see some scattered showers today. But overall, most of the time, most areas it'll be dry with plenty of sunshine and lots of sunshine for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures climbing back up around 80 degrees. And again, we'll be a couple of degrees below normal, but not too bad. And if we look again over the next 3 days, plenty of sunshine. We could see a little better chance of some showers or a thunder shower later this week as we get towards Thursday and Friday, maybe starting Wednesday night. Again, over the next couple of weeks, we're going to transition into a cooler than normal pattern. We're beginning to see temperatures warm up a little bit, and precipitation also beginning to increase once we get in towards the middle or end of next week. And if we look at the storm totals from last week, again, we were forecasting about 6 to 9 tenths. We ended up with a 13 station average of about a half an inch. So we were just about a tenth of an inch below what we was hoping to be in that forecast range. And if we look at the last 7 days, you can see as far as evapotranspiration rates, and you can see the amount of precipitation that we picked up during that same time period as well. And if we look at conditions out there this morning, about 6 degrees cooler than the last time we talked on Friday morning, and definitely a little bit less humidity as well. Temperatures in the low 60s, some upper 50s around the area. And again, some areas picking up. We had a nice thunderstorm roll through here last night in the Breckenridge area during the late afternoon, early evening hours. That dropped almost a quarter of an inch of rain. Probably, no doubt, some areas just off to our north, maybe picking up a little bit more than that, but quite a bit of thunder and lightning with that system as well. You can see this morning there are some showers out there. Again, not real heavy, although there's a pretty good thunderstorm or a pretty good amount of rainfall falling down across the southwest part of the state. And again, that's that heavier cell may be heading towards the Clarksville area. And if we look again at the satellite view this morning, you can see that area where there are some showers embedded across this frontal boundary that's dropping south. You can see the overall flow is coming out of the north, and with the big circulation out into the Gulf of Alaska, that pumps the warm air off to the north and then drops colder air down into the center part of the nation and in the Great Lakes as well, and that's why we're in a little bit cooler pattern right now. And if we look at the forecast map this morning, you can see a low pressure system with a stationary or weak cold front dropping into the area. Again, that's what will give us a chance of some showers across the central portions of the area this morning, maybe another redeveloping shower later this afternoon. But again, overall amounts will be very, very light, with many areas not picking up any rainfall at all. If we look at the weather map for tomorrow, high pressure in control, weak cold front, not a lot of moisture with this system. Will be slowly dropping into the area for late Wednesday, but again, Tuesday, lots of sunshine. Temperatures just a couple of degrees below normal in the upper 70s to the low 80s, and same thing for Wednesday. I think temperatures climb into the 80 to the low 80s, and then a chance of some very late day showers or a thunder shower for Wednesday night into Thursday. But again, we don't expect a lot of precipitation here over the next 3 days. In fact, you can see over the next 72 hours, many areas forecasted not to see any measurable rainfall, with just trace amounts across southeast lower Michigan, and the best chance of rainfall maybe up to a tenth to possibly a quarter of an inch will be up into the UP. And if we look at the next 7 days, you can see where all the action, lots of rainfall all the way from portions of the southwest into east central Texas, into the deep south, and into the Carolinas, up into the mid-Atlantic states. For us, about the least amount of precipitation expected east of the Mississippi will be across the MAC area and into southwest Ontario, with portions of the UP picking up some pretty decent amounts here over the next couple of days. And as far as the forecast goes, again, we'll see about a 40% chance of some scattered showers today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, and then we'll be in the low 80s for much of the rest of the week with lots of sunshine. Again, late Wednesday into Thursday, we could see some thunderstorms, and that'll carry into the day on Friday as well. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.